Hi there, kids! It's a wonderful day for another science adventure. I am Teacher Emmeline, and I will be your science teacher for today. For today's lesson, the objectives are: infer changes in the properties of materials, describe what happened to materials when heated, and describe what happened to materials when cooled. What do you think will happen to the materials when it is heated? And what do you think will happen to the materials when it is cooled? So kids, prepare your pen, notebook, modules, and yourself, and let's start our adventure today. Let us define what is heat. Heat is a kind of energy that is transferred from one body to another as a result of a difference in temperature. It has the quality of being hot or usually high in temperature. Cool or cold, usually off or at a fairly low temperature. Temperature, the degree or intensity of heat present in a substance or object, especially as expressed according to a comparative scale and shown by a thermometer or perceived by touch. Let us now explore what happens to the materials when heated and cooled. Activity time! Let's explore! Identify the appearance of the following materials when it is heated, and describe what happens to the materials when it is heated. Chocolate, margarine, and crayon. Let us now complete the table. The first material is chocolate. Appearance of materials when heated. What happens to the chocolate when it is heated? When the chocolate was heated, it changed its size, shape, and texture. It also changed its form. When heated, the solid form of the chocolate was changed to liquid. Next is the margarine. That is the appearance of the margarine when it is heated. What happened to the margarine when it is heated? When the margarine was heated, it changed its size, shape, and texture. It also changed its form. When heated, the solid form of the margarine was changed to liquid. Next is the crayon. That is the appearance of the crayon when it is heated. What happened to the crayon when it is heated? When the crayon was heated, it changed its size, shape, and texture. It also changed its form. When heated, the solid form of the crayon was changed to liquid. What do you think will happen to the different liquid materials when it is cooled? For this activity, you have to complete the table and describe the different appearance of the following materials when it is cooled. And answer, what happens to the materials when it is cooled? So let's complete the table. So this is the appearance of a liquid chocolate when it is cooled. What happened to the liquid chocolate when it is cooled? The liquid form of chocolate changed back to solid. It also changed its size, shape, and texture. And this is the appearance of a liquid margarine when it is cooled. What happens to the liquid margarine when cooled? The liquid form of margarine changed back to solid. It also changed its size, shape, and texture. And this is the appearance of liquid crayon when it is cooled. What happens to the liquid crayon when cooled? The liquid form of crayon changed back to solid. It also changed its size, shape, and texture. Let's try this. Complete the table below. Choose your answers from the box. When a solid material like blank is heated, the answer is margarine. It absorbed heat. The heat absorbed or added to the material caused the material to change its form from solid to liquid. The material also changed its properties, characteristics, and forms when heated. I hope you got it all correct. Let's try another one. Complete the table below and choose your answers from the box. Let's answer this. When a solid material like chocolate bar is cooled, it removes or releases heat. The heat removed or released from the material caused the material to change its form from liquid to solid. The material also changed its size, shape, and texture when cold. Good job, kids! You should remember the following. The materials undergo changes in their properties when exposed to temperature. Materials may change their size, shape, texture, and form. When the materials are heated, they change their forms. When heated, solid materials are changed to liquid. When cooled, the liquid materials are changed to solid. Congratulations, kids! You are now ready for our next lesson. I hope you enjoy our lesson for today. Thank you and see you next time.